Hi everyone, my name is DeMarcus Walker, and I want to thank you for taking out the time to visit my YouTube page. Here you will find my professional work I have done over the last 2 years. I've been working on filmmaking, video editing, and creative content production, building my portfolio and developing my craft. I'm currently working on a feature film called The Untouchable Kid. You can check the trailer. It's a dramatic coming-of-age story that I'm passionate about bringing to life, and I can't wait for you all to see it.
You can also check some more of my creative work on my website. Just click the link below in the description. I want to thank you for sharing this video. There's so much more to explore, and I appreciate every single person who takes the time to check out my work and share it with others.
I currently have 123 buyers that will buy my upcoming movie. If you want to be part of Smoothmoves film production, click the link below and subscribe to my website. It's this community of supporters who believe in independent filmmaking, and I'm honored to have each and every one of you on this journey. Subscribe to my website and you will be notified when the movie's done. Click the link below in the description. And also, thank you for subscribing to all my pages, including my YouTube page. Every subscriber, every share, every person who supports this journey means the world to me, and I'm committed to delivering content that makes it all worthwhile. I will see you in next video.